Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting session of daily English conversation practice with me. Honestly, guys, I'm really happy and overwhelmed with your comments. I never thought that you will enjoy this series a lot. And I'm sure this is really going to help you a lot as well in improving your communication skills and improving your English fluency and confidence. So that is why what I've done is I've chosen basic daily topics, day-to-day topics, which we talk about in our daily conversation. When we meet people, when we meet anybody and everybody, we talk about these topics. So that is why I've thought about taking those topics and speaking on that, so that you can either speak with me, speak after me, which is repeat after me, or you can take that idea and you can start speaking on your own, getting your own ideas and start speaking on your own. This is really going to help. This exercise is really going to help you to be fluent and confident in speaking in English. And when you practice this every day, it will be easier for you to go out and talk to people on the same ideas or on the same experiences or on the same events. Okay, so these are basically daily life events or experiences which we all experience every day or we face every day, and we are talking about that. It's as simple as that. And I'm trying to simplify things by using very simple sentences, very easy English, so that you understand well and you can also come up with your new sentences by listening to me. So guys, today also I'm going to talk about something which is very close to our heart, our childhood, right? I'm going to talk about some occasions which we eagerly waited for, and I'm going to tell you why later in the video. So I'm going to talk about my childhood memories and some occasions which we eagerly waited for, and I'm also going to tell you the reason behind that. But for that you have to watch my entire video, and you can also come up with your stories and you can start describing your childhood experiences and your memories. On that note, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. So guys, here I'm going to talk about 3 occasions which we eagerly waited for. I mean me, my siblings and my cousins, we all waited for as a child. So as a child, we all are very naughty, right? We do something or the other. We like playing, we like making mistakes, we like fighting, we like a lot of things, right? We do a lot of things. And while growing up, we have a lot of memories, right? We collect a lot of memories of such small incidences where we get scolded by our parents, or we probably have done something very naughty and we got punished, and so on and so forth, right? So we do have those memories, and these memories are very close to our hearts. I'm sure you will agree with this, right? As a child, I was also very naughty, and the most memorable thing which always comes to my mind while I think about my childhood is, like, I used to wait for 3 occasions. One was summer vacation, the second was my birthday, and the third was festivals. These 3 occasions I was very excited about and very happy about, and you'll be surprised to know why. You know what? During summer vacations, mostly it happened so that my aunt's family used to come to our place, and we all used to gather at one place. So my cousins and we all used to gather at one place, and we used to have a blast for a whole month. And it was like summer vacations were like we were unstoppable. Since morning to evening we used to play, and we don't want to get back to our house. It was just that our parents, our mom, dads and everybody else used to call us for lunch, dinner and breakfast. We were on a spree. We just want to play, and it was so hot also at that time. So at that after lunch, my mom used to make us sleep, and we were so fed up with that. We don't want to sleep, but still we were like quite tied up inside the house that we shouldn't go out. So that was the only phase, the period, like 2 to 3 hours we used to stay at home, but the rest of the time we went outside to play. So we were like, nobody will stop us. We will not study, we will not do anything, we'll just play. We spent the whole month like this. So that is why we were very fond of this summer vacations, that when summer vacations will come, we all will gather at one place and we'll start playing. What all games we used to play, I don't even remember. Hide and seek, then pitto, I don't know how many of you knows that pitto game, football, cricket, basketball, table tennis, badminton, everything we used to play. And on top of it, when my aunts used to come, they used to give some gifts, get some gifts for us also. So I was pretty excited about those gifts as well. Like when they'll come, we'll get some gifts. So that is why we enjoyed the summer vacation. We enjoyed summer vacation the most. Then comes our birthdays. I was very excited about my birthday because I used to get gifts. And the most important time of the birthday was not cutting the cake but opening the gifts. Yes, guys. That was my favorite thing, and I was quite eager to open the gifts and see what all I have got. And I was very happy. Whatever gift I get, I was very happy about it. It's not like, I used to say, oh, why this person has gifted me this or something. It was just that I was very happy whatever gift I got. I was very happy about it. So that is why I waited for my birthday. One of course, I used to get new dress, and the birthday celebration cake and all, the party was there. That was one thing, but the most important part was opening the gifts and seeing what all I got. That was my favorite thing to do on my birthdays. So that is why I was very excited about my birthday. So this was the second occasion why I waited for my birthday eagerly. I'm sure everybody does, right? Birthdays are very special to all of us. Some people are excited about the birthday celebration. Some people are excited about the gifts. Some people are excited about calling their friends for the party. There are lots of reasons, right? So we all love birthday parties. As a child, as kids, we all love birthday party and we love celebrating it, right? So that was my memory of my birthdays. The third occasion which I eagerly waited for was festivals. Festivals also, of course, one thing was we used to go and buy our clothes, new clothes, and so we were very excited about wearing those new clothes on the festival day and decorating the house and burning firecrackers. So those things were something which we were quite into it. So without any fail, we used to buy decoration items, we used to buy firecrackers, we used to buy new dress for all of us. And I was not very fond of eating sweets very much. I liked savory things more at that time. So I was not very fond of having sweets, but I was fond of savory items like chaats or any other thing, namkeens and all those things which were served during festivals. And the other thing was, the attraction was, we used to get gifts from elders. So on the day of festivals, we used to go and meet everybody, right? We were in a joint family, so we used to go and meet everybody so that we get all the gifts. Yes, so that was another intention of festivals. I was waiting for festivals just to get a lot of gifts. So we used to get money. Everybody used to give us some money on festivals. So we used to collect that money, and then we all kids used to sit together and we used to count how much we got, and whatever amount we got, we used to discuss, oh, I got this much, you got this much only, and we used to discuss who didn't give me or who didn't give the other person, right? And so we used to calculate like how mine was more or the other person was more. We used to calculate that as well. And once we collected all the money, then we used to get some ice creams or eat some treat out of it. We never thought of like saving that money or buying something very good or toy for us. We just wanted to spend that money, just collect that money and spend that money. And I remember during my childhood, these ice cream walas used to come, the chaat walas used to come, the bhel walas used to come. So all these vendors used to come with their carts, and we used to eat that in the evening. We used to buy ice creams for us. We used to buy chaats and bhel puris and all those things, the jhal muris and all for us. We used to spend that money in that, and we were very happy about it that we collected the money and we are spending that money and we are eating. So that is why we were very fond of festivals also. We eagerly waited for these three events basically, so that we get some gifts or we get money and we can spend and give us some treats, get some treats for us basically. So this is how we used to spend our childhood. And these are some memories which I have, good memories which I have about my childhood, about summer vacation, about my birthday, and about festivals. I'm sure, guys, as a child, you also must have some memories related to these festivals or summer vacations or your birthdays or anything else, any other event, probably wedding or any other celebration. So you can also come up with those things. You can also talk about those things. It's okay to talk about anything, right? You know why you celebrated that, why you were very happy about that event, or why you were excited about certain events or certain things in your life. So you can collect those memories and you can start speaking on that, right? You will be very happy to share that. You will be very excited to share that, right? When in real life situation also we meet our friends, our relatives, our colleagues, or anybody else, we do share these memories, right? Somebody talks about something and then we also start thinking about our childhood memories, and then we start talking about it. We start telling those stories to people, right? So that is why these are linked to our real life conversations, guys. And we should understand that these things are very close to us and we know everything about it, so it's easier for us to talk about it. It's not necessary that you make complex sentences, big sentences, and share the whole experience. If you're not able to share the whole experience in your words, if you're not able to come up with proper words, if you're not able to come up with proper sentences, try using basic small sentences and start coming up with a description or a story. You can also do is you can start writing it down. Okay, try to write it down and then start speaking about it. It will be convenient for you. Okay, if suddenly you can't talk about it, if it's getting difficult for you to talk about it, right? So you can just write a script, start writing it. Writing also helps a lot, guys. Trust me on this. I believe in this, that writing helps a lot. So start writing a script, a small script, and then start describing it. And whenever you talk about these things or these events or incidences or experiences of your life, try to switch on your camera and record it, guys. That is the best teacher. Why I'm saying this? It will, when you will listen to it or look at it again, okay, look at the video, you will be able to analyze where you are going wrong. So you will get to know where you are going wrong, and accordingly you can correct yourself, right? You will get to know which sentence you were not able to make, or which sentence you were not able to complete, or which words you were not able to pronounce, or you were not able to describe it properly, right, in terms of the idea. So you will be able to understand everything after looking at your video. So that is why it is very important. Shoot the video, look at it, analyze it, and correct it. And start writing a script first. Start writing it down. Start to pen down your ideas and come up with a small script. It will be very easy for you to speak then. And the other thing, if you can't do all these things, repeat after me. Repeat after me, speak with me. If I am making one sentence, you try to juggle the words and make another sentence. If I say, I waited for my birthday eagerly, you can say, I waited for the party eagerly, I waited for the wedding eagerly. So you can juggle the words. You can use my sentence as a reference and you can construct a new sentence. So these are the ways, guys, you can start speaking. You don't know how to construct right sentences, you don't get words. Take my sentences and juggle the words. Start creating new sentences out of it, guys. It's so simple and so easy. Start doing it right now, guys. Please don't come up with any excuse. This is really going to help you. Take it from me, this is really going to help, and start doing it from today. See you. Bye-bye.